Hello, little learners. Welcome to Homeschool Channel. Learn with Omer. Let's learn and have fun.
Notice the rosettes, up to 10.
Wow.
And see? Perfect spirals.
A spiral. 1, 2, 3, 4.
That's right. Amazing work, everyone. Breeders call this the clown of guinea pig's toe. It is almost never still.
Weak, purr, chutter. Okay, everyone, all together now.
Weak, purr, chutter, rumble strutting, teeth chattering, chirping, whining. Woohoo!
The journey of the Abyssinian guinea pig started right here in the jungles of South America.
Wow.
In the 1500s, notice the strict mathematical standards here.
How do we measure the symmetry of the rosettes?
Rabbits cannot make their own vitamin C. Now, who wants some vitamin C?
This is delicious.
Hey, veggies, vitamin C.
Guinea pigs die of loneliness. In Switzerland, it is illegal to own just one.
Wow.
Illegal? Abyssinian guinea pigs are born fully developed and love vitamin C. And remember, it's illegal to own them alone in Switzerland.
Wow. So many facts.
The Acadian flycatcher is a very tiny insectivorous bird.
Like how tiny?
Like that tiny.
Oh, a flycatcher. It catches flies.
Exactly, they're amazing. That broad, flat bill works like a net bow, wider than it is deep, designed to scoop flying insects.
Oh, I see.
Exactly. Who can draw the bill from the front? Its call sounds exactly like pizza, repeated all day long.
Pizza!
Scientists actually use this to identify it in enters. The Acadian flycatcher needs large, unbroken forests.
Whoa.
Watch as the forest gets fragmented by this new road. Sir, the nest hangs like a tiny hammock and always over water new and always from the very tip of a branch where predators cannot reach it.
Wow.
The Acadian flycatcher crosses the Gulf of Mexico in a single nonstop flight. That's over 1,000 kilometers.
Wow. 1,000 kilometers?
The Acadian flycatcher sallies from its perch, catching insects midair with a snap, just like this.
Snap, snappity snap.
Great job, everyone! A bigger bird lays its egg in the tiny flycatcher nest.
Oh.
And the flycatcher raises the large cowbird chick instead of its own young.
Can you spot the difference? There are 5 nearly identical species.
I think I see it taught here.
Nope, I'm just gonna wait for the pizza call.
Acreoptera manga,
It sounds so sciencey.
which means electric blue stick insect from Madagascar. Males electric blue, females green-brown. Same species, looking like completely different animals.
Wow. So pretty.
Found on one island, in one specific region of that island, nowhere else on Earth.
It's so tiny. Let's protect it.
Look at the difference. Most stick insects hide,
Wow.
but this one, bam, it advertises, warning predators that it tastes bad.
Warning coloration.
About this long, but far more colorful.
What makes them so colorful, Mr. Jackson?
Good question, Lucas. No father needed. The female makes copies of herself.
Wait, so the males aren't needed?
That's right.
I don't believe it. It's so cool.
This species has become popular worldwide due to that extraordinary blue color and how easy they are to keep.
Does it need a mister?
Madagascar has lost over 90% of its original forest. This graphic illustrates the critical habitat loss. Look at these amazing wings. Who can show me their biggest wingspan?
Wow, that's huge.
Like this? Look at these colors. The male is electric blue, found only in Madagascar.
Wow.
And the female can grow up.
Up to 20 centimeters.
Scientists test lizard intelligence with the same puzzle boxes used for mammals' Q, and Ackie monitors consistently solve them.
Whoa.
The Ackie monitor uses its spiny tail as a living door. Look, it reverses into crevices. Now you try.
Whoa.
Careful, David. The Ackie monitor uses its forked tongue to smell. It detects chemical traces. See?
Forked tongue. Wow. Look.
Too hot. Ah, much better. Down into the burrow.
Wow. So cool.
The Ackie monitor is about 70 centimeters long, uses its spiny tail for defense, and lives in northwestern Australia.
Wow.
The Adax has incredible spiraling horns
Wow.
and a coat perfectly suited to the desert.
I'm drawing the horns.
Notice the unique mark across its nose? It's like an X.
I see it. And look, the horns twist like a spiral.
That's right, the Adax has amazing features. The Adax can survive without drinking any water, extracting all moisture from plants.
Imagine not drinking for days.
Wow.
It's the most impressive desert survival. Notice how they spread, just like snowshoes.
This is so cool. Look at my drawing.
Built-in sand shoes, I get it. The addax, a magnificent desert antelope, has fewer than 100 individuals left in the wild.
Wow.
But thanks to the addax rests during the heat of the day.
Shh, resting.
Then at night, perfectly timed, they feed.
Yeah, now we eat. Woohoo!
Look at this incredible ancient artwork. The addax once roamed the entire Sahara in vast herds. The addax's coat turns white in the summer, reflecting sunlight, like a natural mirror. See how it keeps cool?
Whoa.
Now, let's feel the difference. And finally, fewer than 100 remain in the wild.
Wow.
But thanks to captive breeding,
Spiral horns.
100.
I will protect them.
And that's how the Adelie penguin finds its food. Look at its little white eye ring. Isn't it wonderful?
Amazing! So cute.
Waddled. That white circle makes it look like it is always slightly shocked by everything it sees.
Wow. Whoa.
Now, draw your own Adelie penguin. A French explorer named this penguin after his wife in 1840. So every single Adelie penguin carries a love story in its name. Waddling speed 2.5 kilometers per hour. Swimming speed 45 kilometers per hour. Water is its true home. Watch closely. Slow and they walk 50 kilometers. That's like 50,000 steps.
1, 2, 3, 50.
And then
Wow.
they swim 7,000. Okay, everyone, look at this little guy.
Ow! He's so fluffy. Look at his eyes.
Get drawing. Like the teacher penguins, I'm here to keep you safe and warm.
You're the daycare penguin.
The Adelie penguin depends on sea ice for both resting and krill habitat. As ice changes Mo, so does everything the Adelie penguin needs. And behold, the Admiral butterfly.
Wow.
Look at that incredible design.
It's so big. Has those...
Each element serves a purpose. Watch the black, red band, white spots, blue edge marks.
I see the blue.
Correct. Now try to reproduce the pattern.
This is fun.
Excellent work, everyone.
2 different butterflies, same rank, but not related.
The white one has bigger bands, but the red ones are brighter.
Red admirals deliberately seek fermented fruit tow and can become slightly intoxicated.
Whoa, he's falling.
Look at me. Oops, feeling a bit wobbly myself. Now look at this tiny paperclip. This weighs less than the butterfly that travels thousands of kilometers.
Wow.
Imagine that journey. Red admiral butterflies defend the same sunny perch every day.
Defends the same sunny perch.
Watch me defend my tile. Shh, back off, mine. Yes.
Shoo, it's mine.
Get her. Most butterflies stay asleep until spring, but the red admiral, it hibernates as a full adult, wakes on warm winter days to feed. Velvety black wings with red bands weighs less than a paperclip,
Velvety black wings with red bands weighs less than a paperclip.
and tastes with feet, just like so. This snake is the symbol of medicine.
Wow, that's so cool.
It's like a hospital thing. 2 meters of pure smooth elegance go. No threat, no venom, no danger.
That's so long. 1, 2 meters.
Perfect. Who'd like to try drawing it next? The Romans transported these snakes to healing temples across Europe. Look here at these isolated populations.
Mr. Clark, did the snake stay there?
Notice how it bunches up, then extends. It's called the concertina technique. See how it grips?
Ooh, look at it go.
I'm drawing it step by step.
The Aesculapian snake detects its prey by flicking its tongue. Non-venomous, but kills by constriction. Small mammals and birds are its main prey. The Aesculapian snake is 2 meters long and non-venomous. It is the origin of the medical symbol, the rod of Asclepius. Affen means monkey in German. Pinscher means terrier. Monkey terrier.
Look at his chin. He's so confident. I drew it.
That's wonderful.
Look at this little guy's face. He's a monkey in a dog costume. Okay, everyone, monkey faces.
Monkey dog. He's so silly.
Exactly. All right, class, look at this. The Affen Pinscher. Tiny, right?
Wow.
But check out that confidence bar. Utterly fearless.
Yeah.
Watch the... And the Affen Pinscher says, don't even think about it.
Mine, not yours, mine.
Exactly. Who wants to draw this legendary possessiveness? You must hand strip the Affen Pinscher's wiry coat, not clip it.
Not clip it.
See? Hand stripping gives it that wonderful, rough, tousled look. The French call this dog Diablotin Moustachu.
Little mustache devil.
Diablotin Moustachu.
Thanks for learning with Omer. Please like and subscribe. Click the button below.